chewing it. She's had enough, darling.
That's enough.
Yeah.
That's enough.
What am I supposed to do with that? Eh?
And that's another one of this.
Yeah.
Look at the there you go. That's
It's nearly as big as her, isn't it?
okay.
Eh? Oh, she can't look. She's trying to eat it. Get it out of her mouth. Because that's a little bit... She can't chew that at the moment. Oh. She's having a flipping good try.
Go.
Yeah, there you go. Don't push it too hard. Nice and gentle. So, what's she doing now, eh?
But there's chicken. Come on.
Oh, careful.
Mummy. Mummy. Mummy.